So welcome back everybody into another daily recap. As you can see, this was GU, and this was a nice PMI coming up. But let's go into the overall price action for the day. Let's start with GBPUSD. As you can see, we had a quite a London session. Today, of course, it's Tuesday, the 5th of March, and this is basically the start of the London session. We only had a brief breakout from here of about, if we are measuring, like 6 pips, but still failing to make new highs, especially because we were waiting, the USD pair were waiting for the PMIs which were coming into the late New York session. As you can see over here, this was the price action that happened after the New York Open, and this is actually the price action that you just saw in the screenshot. As you can see over here, let me show you. When I saw the price breaking above, first I took one trade over here, which is this loss, because I trusted this PSA and not really trusted that. At first, I had a buy limit over here as soon as I saw it break above. But when I saw that it was going like 10 pip in a bullish side, I said, okay, I don't think that it's going to probably retest it to push up. So maybe it's going to do a retest and then a continuation up from this level over here. But as you can see, as I just showed you, the actual retest, also thank you to a very strong negative, a surprising negative PMIs was true. So you would have had the buy limit triggered over here, a little bit of something, and then pushing above. Of course, the thing is that even with, if this one would have been a bad on the other side, so a very good PMI, you see that this is the distance, then you can see that just having this the same distance over there on the downside would have mean a very bad stop loss getting hit. But just by looking at the chart, that's the good thing. As I just explained, also we had some possible bullish trade area with a buy limit over there. This first entry would have been a loss because price would break down and for like 4 pips. But yeah, after that, there would be further bouncing from this hourly PSA and then a continuation up already with this movement. But yeah, unlucky that we didn't get an early break and retest of this area. I took, as I said, a loss over here based on this PSA, because on the 20-tick chart it was a little bit more clear. It was not just a random PSA. I mean, it was a nice and interesting PSA for this time frame. The thing is that on the high time frame, which is 1 minute compared to the 20-tick chart, it was not. And yeah, you see that the retest would have gone very good for around 40 pips. But anyway, apart from that, you see that the price would give you a rejection at the same highs. And yeah, just to see what is this percentage. Yeah, it's around 50% retracement and then continuation up for around 15 pips. Very interesting. And yeah, that's it. So one trade that I took on GBPUSD, and that was it. I think I didn't take anything during the London session. Let's go on gold. Gold was a little bit especially because, as I was saying, this was yesterday, the London session was a little bit dead as well, up until this time. This one, I don't remember, I don't know if it is on the screenshot. Yeah, this one, because today I came to the chart later because I had an appointment. That was a very juicy break and retest of this area. Bam, absolutely picture perfect setup, and then a continuation. But I didn't take any trade throughout the New York session, not even this. What I took was actually at the start of the New York session, and pretty clear break and retest of these highs, of these top wicks, one candle, second candle. Very unlucky because this is at 11 pips stop loss getting it, overall it will go to around 15.1. So even a 15 pip would have been stopped out. But then you can see that from there, bam, price will skyrocket more than 130 pips. After that, I was not really looking at the chart in this very next few minutes. You can see that price would have given me the second entry opportunity, second chance, which is over here. So this was my first loss. But you can see that above the eyes, now we are talking about the 20-tick chart because high volume, high volatility. You have a quick but still clear because you have multiple candles retesting that. So that 1 minute, the 1 minute candle is like this, bam, and then like this, bam, and this is exactly the same. This is basically this. So as you can see, as I was saying, this is exactly the same thing, but giving you this retest on the very lower time frame. So that's actually very interesting. But unfortunately, I missed that second chance, that second opportunity to take my same. I mean, we're talking about the same trade idea. And apart from that, you see top week. Top week was this, then the rejection, then the candle opened over there, then it made the lower wick and then closed and pushed up. Very, very super interesting for me. And apart from that, it's also the next one made a lower wick because the lower wick is this one, PPP, and this one, sorry, and then the continuation straight up. Huge volume and huge volatility. I mean, that was crazy. Apart from that, I waited to have some further trade ideas. I was trying to take advantage of this actually bad PMI on the bullish side, and on the 1 minute you can't really see what I was trying to trade. On the 20-tick chart, as you can see, price made this rejection. I was targeting this area, so you can see that when I saw the breakout from this area and I saw the retest, that was my entry. Unfortunately, was really just very quick loss. And yeah, price then will range a little bit, maybe on the lower time frame as a scalper you might have had some chance. Now I'm seeing some possible retest on the downside, yeah, for around 30 pips. But yeah, apart from that, I was not really interested, especially because it was my last trade of the day. And now we're going into GJ throughout the London session. As I said, I came late, so I saw this price action, so it was untradeable, and I waited, and yeah, this is during the New York session when I saw this very strong and nice bearish candle. I knew that we had this rejection area on the left hand side, but at the same time I knew that just to retest these lows, I would have been with the stop loss at break even. So I placed and left my sell limit over there. Very good. I had a good percentage taken out at 10 pips, and then the rest, I don't know what was the percentage, at 20 pips. You can see how nice it was. Very nice trade idea, and execution just breaker retest. Yeah. Also having the breaker retest from these lows would have given you a little bit of profit, but yeah, for me that was good. Yeah, wow, nice. After that I wasn't looking at GJ anymore. Very nice breaker retest of this area as well. With the spread, this one would have been hard to enter. I mean, it would not be activated, even though it looks nice. But yeah, very nice PSA price action over here. This one, if we go and look at it on the lower time frame, you can see that's exactly the thing that I always talk about, and that's something that I want to really take advantage of. This is a top wick. It's a bullish candle on the retest of this area. So you can see that this one is like this. 100% is giving you this because we're talking about this top wick. And the same thing is over here. This is a breakout and then a retest of this same area. So yeah, let me, since I want to grab the screenshot. Okay. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, yeah, like this. And yeah, that's basically this, the retest of the same area for possible continuation up. I don't even know if this one is going at least 10 pips. Yeah, 10, 11 pips. Yeah, almost 15, but let's see. Let's look at it on the lower time frame. Bam, you can see how clean this is. Look here and look here. Perfect breaker retest. Okay, so yeah, if we just look at the history of today, it's a minus 11 euros. So I was basically first loss, then a win, then two losses. First one was sort of compensating, but yeah, after then two losses and only the small win. So overall losing day, but it's okay. What I'm doing, good. And yeah, the only thing is, I mean, I really sort of sucks missing out on this strong bullish move on gold, moving more than 800 pips. But yeah, yesterday I took one win over there, but would have been great to leave some runner. But apart from that, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I see you tomorrow.